everyone, Alexa here from the Duval Homestead, and today I'm sharing my spice rack organization. I'm really excited to organize our spice rack and our cabinets. We make smoothies every morning and we do a lot of cooking, so it's really important that we have a lot of spices. When we first bought this house a couple years ago, we have some really nice cupboards and nice pantries, but as you know, over time things get stuffed in places and stuff goes bad and it just becomes unorganized. So I wanted to do a complete fix of that. I wanted to have no more bags in our pantry, no more containers. I wanted to have everything be in a uniform jar with a label on it. That way we can buy things in bulk more, which helps save money. And I wanted to label with a Sharpie so that I wasn't peeling off stickers all the time. I was inspired by Lisa from Farmhouse on Boone. She did a really great tutorial on this. So here's what I did. First, I emptied out the cabinet. Luckily, our cabinets were painted a nice white color when we got the house, so not much more was needed to be done to these cabinets except to just keep them clean. This is the kind of thing that never happens because who has time to take out all their spices and clean their cabinets? Not me. So in these cabinets, we keep several things. We keep spices, smoothie ingredients, and tea. We also keep essential oils and vitamins. Next, I took these small glass spice jars that I got from Amazon and cleaned them out with some spray and paper towel. I'll leave links below this video to all the equipment I used for the spice cabinet do-over if you're interested in doing it yourself. I got this white gloss Sharpie pen, but it is totally washable, so you can just take a damp paper towel and remove the wording, which is nice as opposed to having stickers on the jars that don't peel off. These jars from Amazon also came with this green funnel, which was really helpful in filling them. In this process, one of the things I realized was I had a whole bunch of wasted items that were stuffed in the back, so hopefully this will help reduce that. I really wanted to get rid of plastic bags. For some of our bigger items, I use these glass jars with a wooden lid. This is an airtight lid. I will also leave links for these jars if you're interested in getting these. But we put our protein powder, flaxseed, chia seed, and dates. All of these ingredients are for smoothies in the morning. When I make smoothies for us in the morning, I'm usually half asleep. So having all of this organized and labeled will be so much easier. Then I started organizing. So I put a lot of spices in the back that were extra. We had some wasted space in these cabinets, as you can see, so I looked around the house for something I could use to stack the jars on, and I came across this white basket, so I flipped it upside down just to get some stacking capability. I also thought it'd be really easy to have some measuring spoons right on the cabinet door, so I just used a command hook to put some measuring spoons on the door. I also used this soft basket to store some tea bags. Nothing bothers me more than stray tea bags everywhere, and the big boxes that the bags come in, so I'm a huge fan of using these baskets to organize the pantry. Then on the right side of the stove, I put our smoothie ingredients, our vitamins, essential oils, and some often used ingredients like baking soda and coconut oil. And the essential oils sometimes go in our food as well, so that's another thing that I like to have in the basket. The vitamins, I don't like to put those in a jar because I have to buy them anyway, but I don't really like to see them, so putting them in this big basket makes it easy, so we can just take it right off the shelf and eat them as needed. Alright, well thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you felt inspired to organize your pantries and your spice cabinet. I will be posting another video on my kitchen pantry organization. Stay tuned for that. If you are new to my page, make sure you subscribe and like on Facebook. Every week I post a new farm-to-table recipe, homesteading, and other healthy living from our homestead in Duval. If you'd like to get these things sent to your email, you can subscribe on my blog, theduvalhomestead.com. Well, I hope this inspired you to clean out your cabinet and really upgrade your kitchen so that you can cook easier and cook more and cook more enjoyably. As always, feel free to share this video with someone you think would like it, and thanks for stopping by our homestead. I'll see you next week.